So this coming election, national elections, I will be voting for Miriam Defensor Santiago because bakit hindi yung iba? First, B9, there are many corruption cases against him. Duterte, parang sobrang assertive ni Duterte, and I don't want that kind of president. Mar Rojas is, yes, sa presidential debates, he has concrete plans for our country, but I doubt his abilities regarding execution of these plans. And then, sa Grace Poe, I think she still lacks experience in the government. So, why Miriam Defensor Santiago? I will vote for Miriam because I believe that she is a woman of law. One of the problems in the Philippines, dito sa Pilipinas, marami tayong batas, no? Hindi natin problema yung number of laws, but the problem is the implementation, is the stricter implementation. And I believe that if Miriam will be the president of the Philippines, there will be stricter implementation of these laws and more reasonable sanctions for the criminals. So I will vote for Miriam. So sa similarities naman with Miriam, Miriam Defensor has wits, no? She's just a very witty woman, and I believe na dun kami nagkakapareho, and she's channeling this wits to influence other people, especially the youth. So I think dun kami nagkakaparehas to Miriam Santiago. So regarding naman dun sa cheatings during Farm Olympics, first is yung constant reminders sa students of the College of Pharmacy that we are UP students and honor before excellence. And for more concrete plans, we will be having a meeting with the core organizing team of the Farm Olympics, and also with the members of the Public and Media Relations Committee na we will be making mechanics, no? And then we will be implementing this during the games para maiwasan natin yung mga ganong pandarahan during Farm Olympics. Kung ulam ako, I will be kare-kare kasi favorite ko yung kare-kare, and color yellow siya. And also, kare-kare kasi andun na lahat, meron kang karne, meron kang gulay, may peanut, and merong alamang sa side. So, I think complete package ang kare-kare. So, I will be kare-kare pag ulam ako.